Hello everyone, and welcome back to Coin Chronicles, the channel where we dive into the fascinating world of numismatics. Today, we're taking a closer look at a seemingly humble coin that carries a lot of history and significance: the United Kingdom 1 penny coin minted between 1985 and 1995. At first glance, these 1 penny coins might not seem like much, but they hold a rich tapestry of British heritage and craftsmanship. Let's start by examining the design and specifications. The 1 penny coin from this period features a beautiful and consistent design. On the obverse, we have the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. During these years, the portrait was created by the renowned artist Raphael Makhlouf. This third portrait of the Queen shows her wearing the George IV state diadem, which is usually worn on her way to and from the state opening of Parliament. Now, flipping the coin over, we see the iconic portcullis with chains, which is topped with a coronet. This design has been used on the reverse of the 1 penny coin since. We have a few examples. This 1986 penny is in mint state, showing no signs of wear and retaining its original luster. In contrast, this 1991 penny shows clear signs of circulation with wear on the high points and some discoloration. The key to a good collection is recognizing and appreciating these differences. For those serious about collecting, investing in tools like magnifying glasses, coin flips, and proper storage containers is essential. Grading your coins accurately can help you determine their value and ensure they are preserved for future generations. When examining a 1 penny coin, pay attention to the edges and the details of the design. Even slight differences can affect a coin's grade and value. For instance, a strong strike where all details are crisp and clear will generally be more valuable than a coin with a weak strike. Proper storage is crucial to maintaining the condition of your coins. Avoid handling them with bare hands, as oils and dirt can cause damage. Use gloves and store your coins in a cool, dry place to prevent tarnishing and corrosion. Whether you keep your coins in albums. First, let's talk about the design. The United Kingdom 1 penny coin has featured the same basic design since its decimalization in 1971. On the obverse, we have the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. During the period from 1985 to 1995, this effigy was designed by Raphael Makhlouf. It's notable for its detailed and elegant depiction of the Queen, wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. On the reverse, we see the iconic portcullis with chains, symbolizing the British Parliament. This design was created by Christopher Ironside and has been a staple of the 1 penny coin. Now, let's move on to the specifics of each year and their mintages. Between 1985 and 1995, millions of 1 penny coins were minted each year. Now, let's talk about the condition of these coins and how it affects their value. In coin collecting, condition is everything. Coins are graded on a scale from poor P to mint state MS. Here are the most common grades you might encounter. For example, a 1985 1 penny coin in good condition might be worth only its face value, but if you have the same coin in mint state, it could be worth significantly more to collectors. Decimalization in 1971 and symbolizes the British Parliament. The portcullis is a significant symbol, representing the history and strength of the British legislative system. The inscription 1 penny is displayed below the portcullis, with new penny used in earlier issues until 1981. Now, let's talk about the technical specifications. The 1 penny coin is made of bronze, weighing 3.56 grams with a diameter of 20.3 millimeters. In 1992, however, there was a significant change. Due to rising metal costs, the composition was switched from bronze to copper-plated steel, making the coins slightly magnetic. These coins circulated widely and were a staple in everyday transactions. They tell a story of economic and social changes in the UK. Interestingly, the 1992 change wasn't immediately noticeable to the public, but it's a crucial detail for collectors. So, what should you look for if you're a collector? Coins from this period are generally common, but there are some factors. 1995 are more than just small change. They are pieces of art, history, and a reflection of the evolving UK economy. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just getting started, these coins are a fantastic addition to any collection. Approximate values. Handling your coins properly is crucial to maintaining their condition. Always hold coins by the edges and consider wearing gloves to prevent oils from your skin from causing damage. Storing them in a cool, dry place and using proper coin holders or albums can also help preserve their condition. If you're serious about coin collecting, investing in some basic tools like a magnifying glass, coin albums, and gloves can make a big difference. And remember, the joy of coin collecting is not just in the value, but in the history and beauty of each coin. Let's start with a bit of context. The 1 penny coin, part of the UK's decimal coinage system, was introduced in 1971, replacing the old pre-decimal penny. By the mid-80s, these coins had become a staple in British pockets and piggy banks. But what makes the 1 penny coins from 1985 to 1995 particularly interesting? Let's find out. In the mid-1980s, the UK's economy was recovering from the early 80s recession, and the Royal Mint was busy producing coins to meet demand. The 1-penny coin of this era features the familiar design of the crowned portcullis on the reverse, symbolizing the House of Commons, and Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, designed by Arnold.